Okay, but for real, like, I don't even know what's really in here. I know that apparently I have some books, some socks, some shorts, some shirts. Like, we're gonna figure it out together. Okay, I just looked at that footage and my head isn't in it. Or not. Okay, these shorts are sick. They've got sharks on them, so definitely not getting rid of these. I don't even know how to feel right now. I'm not refilming it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this video. Okay. Okay, so I've got stuff for the laundry. I'm currently exporting a different video on my computer, so I can't do anything with that right now. So I figured while I'm waiting for stuff to finish, from what I filmed yesterday, I have like a decent pile of clothes that I put into a maybe pile that like I don't know if I'm gonna donate or not. So I figured I would try them on and see how I feel about them.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
First pair of shorts. Like, as you can see, they fit me well, but I've just had them for so long.
Lock that bitch
They're just not my favorite. These are the shorts that I wear when I don't have other shorts to wear. These are like my laundry day shorts. And so I think I am gonna get rid of them.
Gaga, you look beautiful.
These are donating. This is a different pair of blue shorts. It's like a lighter weight, and I like these shorts. They just, I feel like they're a little bit like balloony. I normally wear them rolled up. Yeah, normally wear them like this, but then I feel like inside it looks a little weird.
It is weird, and you look weird.
I think I'm gonna keep them for right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep them. Okay, these ones are like the same material as the blue ones that are just shown on, but they're a little bit longer. So I definitely always like roll these up, but they're a little bit loose. I like when things are tighter in the legs, like especially in like the thigh area, because I feel like this does nothing.
Oh my god, what is that?
This does nothing for me, you know?
What is that?
But these are my only pair of red shorts, so it's good for like certain outfits because it gives me a little bit of variety.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep them for right now. Aww. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll keep them on right now. Okay. Then we're going to move on to different shirts. This shirt I'm probably gonna get rid of. It's old. I've had it at least since freshman year of college, which was 2014. So, at least 6 years I've had this shirt.
Ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed?
It's like nice and lightweight.
I'm a skinny legend.
Like I like it from the front. I think it's like fun. But then from the back, it's just, it's so much from the back that I really can't. I think I need to get rid of it. I do like the neckline though. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna get rid of this.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
This probably would look cute though with like some white pants on.
No.
I don't know.
I said no. You can kill all that right now.
I don't know. This might go into the maybe pile. This one, another black shirt. I've never worn this shirt in public before. I don't wear shirts like this. This is my thing. And it was a gift from like maybe like my dad or like my sister or something, which is why I haven't gotten rid of it. But I literally don't wear it. And it was like a nice sentiment, obviously, but I never wear it. I don't need this shirt. I don't even sleep in it. Like, I don't need this.
No.
You hesitated. You thought about it.
I didn't hesitate because that should have been the question.
Okay, first things, I like this shirt because it's just like a basic like plain white shirt. And I have white shirts, but they all have designs on it. This is like my only short sleeve white shirt with nothing. But
Disgusting!
it's incredibly stained in the underarms.
Oh, man.
There's like a couple of other stains just like on the shirt. So I'm not gonna wear it like with an outfit, so I'll get rid of it. Alright, here's a shirt
Gaga, you
that I
look
got
so good.
at the high school that I used to teach at. With really? I don't work there anymore, so I'm never gonna like wear this shirt like to work. And you can kind of see my nipples through it, but it fits well. And I like this style of shirt, but I'm never gonna wear it. I think I'll donate it. Okay, here's another, like, Rem, stop. Hey, no. No. Out. You're gonna bark? It's the school bus. Okay. And now she's gonna start crying at my door. I never wear this. This was a gift from my sister. And again, I've never worn it. And it's a little bit big for me anyways. I think I'm gonna donate this. And I have so many white shirts and as it is. And now she's pawing and crying at the door. Okay, this one, I like the shirt. It's a friend shirt. I got it from my sister's boyfriend actually as a gift. But it's so wrinkly. And like it's cute, but it's like, it's so wrinkly. Like you have to iron it. Like,
is that true?
It's very true.
Comes out of the dryer, it's already wrinkled. If you fold it like nicely, it's wrinkled. If you hang it up, it's wrinkled.
Not a joke, just a fact.
So never wear it because it's like messy. So I think I'm gonna donate this too. And lastly, this is a baseball tee that I've had since high school, so 2012, probably 2013. But again, when I was in high school, nothing fit me, so everything was like so big, and now it fits me, which is why I like it. But it's a little bit tight in the arms, but I like this shirt. And it's a little bit dated. Oh my god. Do you remember the Tumblr like posts when it was like every gay guy like has this shirt? Like, let me see if I can find that. Anyways, I love this shirt. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. Okay, well then I'm just gonna keep wearing it for right now.
Cut the cameras.
You want to know what? No, I am gonna leave.
Here's a little water bottle from the school that I used to teach at. Last time I used this, I went to a Blackpink concert and I filled it up with wine. Ooh, she smells ripe. There's mold in this. This hasn't been cleaned since that concert 2 years ago. That was a 2019 concert. This has to be like thrown out or something. Oh my god, it's bad. See, she's smelling it. She doesn't even know what that is.